Welcome to my video lecturing of the subject software testing, unit for test management. So this is Sheikh Wahidin, Assistant Professor of CSE Department, Government College of Engineering, Srirangam, Tirchi. So software testing, as a software testing is one of the important phase in the SDLC, software development life cycle. So that phase, you make sure to building a right product or building a product right. So that process is called as a testing. So very important phase in the SDLC. So because of before delivering our product to client, you must test, ensure your software is working is correct, software working is working properly. So in the unit for test management, first topic is people and organizational issues in testing. So before we going to the first topic, we discuss about what is test management. So test management is a process of managing test using some test management tools to managing the test by managing the test by both category, automated or manual testing also. So test management tools allow automatically generation of requirement test matrix, which is an indicator to functional coverage of the application and under test. And test management tools also support multifunctional capabilities such as test ware management, test scheduling, the logging of result, test tracking, incident management, reporting, test reporting. So what is the main responsibility of the test management is a clear set of roles and responsibility for improving the quality of the product, and also helps to the development and maintenance of the product product metrics during the course of project, and enable the developers to make sure that they are fewer design or coding faults. So this is a test management. So this is the first topic in the unit for test management, people issues in testing. So what are the what people and organization, what are the issues handling in the testing field? So there is some perception and misconceptions about the testing. So perceptions means beware of something. Okay, beware of something is a perception, and misconceptions means opinions of someone. So give the some opinion to the some opinion about the something. So that is a misconception. So there is a many misconception and perceptions are available. So we clearly upfront to build a successful and motivated the testing team. So these are the statements from the misconception and perceptions to the testing profession actually. So first statement, testing is not technically challenging. So that statement is uh, before before 20 years, maybe this statement may be true, but nowadays testing is a very important, remarkable parallel to the development job function. So development for job function. So today, testing require the holistic understanding of the entire product, and the testing require the understanding of multiple domain, and testing also require the specialization of the programming language. Testing functions now require the automated tools and conception and out of the box thinking and significant investment. So two days is not a valid statement for this. And the next statement is that testing does not provide me a career path or growth. So number of organization have career path define the people in the development and other software engineering function. But when it comes to the testing function, the career path are not clear laid out. This does not mean that there are no career paths for the testing professionals. Now companies are coming out clearly career path in testing also. So and the next statement, I am putting testing, what is wrong with me? So people sometimes feel that they are in testing because they could not fit anywhere else. Some of the causes and effects, but nowadays people should be assigned to the testing only when he or she has right aptitude and attitude for testing. And next, these flukes are my adversary. So since main function of testing is to find defect in the product, this is easy for an adversary attitude to develop between the developers and testers. And the next statement, testing is what I can do in the end if I get it. Even though testing is to be done throughout the life cycle of the software development, it is still constructed as an end of the life cycle activities. And next statement, there is no sense of ownership in testing. So developer have ownership of the model that is being developed. The ownership is not created for testing function. This is because of apparent lack of deliverable for testing function. One way to minimize this problem is with list the testing team with the authority to decide the state of the readiness readiness of the product, make them for final quality actually. So, and the next statement, testing is only distract you. So this statement also not valuable. So somebody's told there is a perception test engineers only work together breaking the software or testing to prove the product does not work. This is not entirely true. The testing should be viewed as a professional constructive actually. It's a constructive process to required for constructive product development. Job of testing is combination of pointing out the work in the product and analyzing the risk of analyzing the software with the defect and providing the mitigation plan to striking perfect balance across all this perspective actually. So these statements are the people issuing in the testing. So we have to build a successful and motivated testing team. So the statement or nowadays is not actually true. So we have to motivate for the testing team actually. And the next is the organizational issues in testing to address two fundamental maturity goal at the level 2 of the TMM. So TMM means the test maturity model. So first one is that developing organizational goals policy related to the testing and debugging. And the next one is the to test planning. Test is a managed process. The managed process is one of the planned process. For example, monitored, directed, organized, staffed, etc. So test specialist has a key role in developing and implementing these managerial components. So first components is a concept and tools are introduced to build test management skills. That is very important need component for to concept and tools are introduced to build a test management skills. And next one is the development documentations and institutionalization of goals and related policies is very important to an organization. And the next one is the goal policy may be business related, technical or political in nature. They are basis of the decision making. So we having to set the goal and policy required for the participation and support for the upper management. So for example, this is a business goal. For business goals is to increase the market share 10% in the next 2 years. So like in this financial software. And technical goal, reduce the defects 2% per year over the next 3 years. And a business technical goal, both we reduce the hotline calls by 5% over the next 2 years. Political goal to increase the number of women and minorities in high management position by 15% in the next 3 years actually. So this is the people and organizational issues in the